Have you ever opened Claude, sent just a few prompts, and suddenly hit your usage limit? If you're on the free plan, or even a paid plan, wasting tokens means less work gets done. So here are 5 practical tips that can help you make your Claude usage last much longer. Tip 1. Track your usage. The first thing you should do is use a Claude usage tracker. Most people have no idea how many tokens they're consuming until they hit the limit. A tracker helps you understand which chats and prompts are expensive, so you can change your habits before it's too late. What gets measured gets managed. Tip 2. Start a new chat for a new topic. This is probably the biggest mistake people make. Claude sends the conversation history along with every new message. So if you've already had a long discussion about coding, and now you suddenly ask about travel or marketing in the same chat, Claude still has to process all the previous messages. That means you're spending tokens on information that has nothing to do with your new question. Instead, whenever you switch topics, start a fresh chat. New chats have much smaller context, so they usually consume fewer tokens and feel faster as well. Tip 3. Choose the right model. Not every task needs the most powerful model. If you're asking simple questions, rewriting text, summarizing articles, or brainstorming ideas, use a lighter model whenever possible. Save the more advanced reasoning models for coding, complex analysis, or difficult problems. Matching the model to the task can significantly improve how efficiently you use your available usage. Tip 4. Use Markdown files instead of PDFs or Word documents. If you're uploading documents, avoid sending large PDF or docx files whenever possible. These files often contain formatting, images, metadata, and extra content that increases processing. Instead, convert the document into a clean Markdown.md file containing only the text Claude actually needs. Markdown files are lightweight, easier for AI models to process, and usually reduce unnecessary token usage. Tip 5. Summarize your progress and continue in a new chat. Long coding or research sessions can become extremely expensive because every new message includes the entire conversation history. Here's a better workflow. Ask Claude to create a detailed summary of everything you've done so far, your progress, important decisions, code structure, remaining tasks, and key context. Then copy that summary into a brand new chat and continue from there. This gives Claude only the information it actually needs instead of making it process hundreds of previous messages again and again. You keep all the important context while dramatically reducing unnecessary token usage. So, to recap, track your token usage. Use a new chat for every new topic. Pick the right model for the job. Upload Markdown files instead of heavy documents. Summarize long conversations and continue in a fresh chat. These 5 habits can make your Claude usage last much longer and help you get more work done before hitting your limits. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more AI productivity tips, and I'll see you in the next one.